Well, hello beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. So I know things look a little bit different. I am in my master bathroom because I am going to attempt the TikTok stripping your laundry hack. And so if you want to see if this really works, because if it does, it's definitely going to be a satisfying laundry extreme clean. So if you want to see if this hack really works, then definitely keep on watching. Okay y'all, so when I did some research on this, and I looked it up on TikTok and I looked it up like on Pinterest, it said that you needed three ingredients to make this whole situation work, okay? And so all of this is like basically powder. And so I have some Gain Original Scent laundry powder. You will also need your 20 Mule Team Borax. I had to get this from Walmart. I could not find this at any of my local like grocery stores. And then also some Arm & Hammer laundry booster. You guys, I had to get this from Walmart as well, and I actually had to order it online because they did not have it in the store. And so to get these two items to have it shipped to my house was about $15. And then the Gain, I got that from my local Kroger, which it was $6.79. And so it says for the mixture, you will need 1/4 of a cup of the borax, you'll need 1/4 of a cup of the Arm & Hammer, and you'll use 1 full cup of the Gain laundry detergent. You will also need a stick of some sort because you'll need to stir the bathtub as much as possible. The bathtub is behind me, and so I actually have it with scalding hot water, and I'm gonna take my towels and throw it in. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixture. Then I'll throw my towels in, give it a stir, and come back and check it every couple of hours like it says by giving it a stir each time. And hopefully this should be done by like, I think right now it's like 12:30, and so I'm hoping to have everything super clean with these towels by 7 o'clock. Let's do 7:30 so it's even, and then I'll put them back in the washing machine and wash them. These towels that I'm throwing in the tub, they're actually clean. I've already washed them and dried them, and so they've been washed and cleaned, and now they're going to be deep cleaned by throwing them in this laundry stripping mixture. If you guys have tried this laundry stripping mixture, let me know. This is my first time, so I'm going to see how it works on this. I'm also going to wash Joe's work clothes, and I'm going to try it on that too. It says that it'll leave your clothes super fresh, and it gets all that like milk, like the chemicals out of your clothes, even though we're adding chemicals back in there. But that's neither here nor there. We're stripping it from all of the smells and stuff like that that gets held into the laundry. So enough of that chit chatting. Let's see if this hack really works. All right, y'all, so I am going in with my 1/4 of the laundry booster. And the water, y'all, is so hot, it's literally making me sweat. So let's open this. And y'all, I have never tried this before. So I'm just using my 1/4. Uh-oh. Alright y'all, so 1/4 of the Arm & Hammer, so I'm just going to sprinkle it, put this to the side, and then 1/4 of the borax. Oh my goodness. bit more because these are like, it's like rocks in here. Laundry rocks. Okay. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of the Gain. And you can use Tide, but I could only find Gain. Oh. Oh, and it has a scoop in here. Look at the Lord. All right. So this comes with a scoop of 1 cup. All right, you guys. 1 cup, and we're just gonna sprinkle this in like so. All right, and now the fun part, you guys. We're gonna throw the clean towels in here and actually see if this is going to work. And I'm gonna pin you guys down as I stir this up so you guys can see exactly what it's gonna look like. I have my little stirrer here, and I'm just gonna push the towels down and give them a swirl. There's nothing I wouldn't do, but I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. I thought you would see me crying, would you? No, don't have to clarify. So right now it is 12:43. So when I started this, it was like 12:30. So I want to see how long it's going to take for them to really start changing colors. I've already given them a stir, and I can see that the water is getting a little bit discolored. And so my goal is to come back and check every 2 hours. I got to run and do some errands for Joe really quick. And so I'm going to let these sit. Like I said, these are sitting in scalding hot water. Like, I'm not even going to touch it. But it's sitting in hot water, and it says every couple of hours give it a stir. And so I'm gonna come back and check on these in about 2 hours. And of course, I'm gonna film it so that way you guys can see it too, the transformation of the water, if this laundry motivation hack is really going to work. So yeah, so I will check back in with you guys in 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Oh my God. Okay, y'all, this right here is legit the color of the water. This whiteness is the tub. This, y'all, is the water. So it has only been 2 hours, you guys. Yeah, so this is what we're looking like. This water is absolutely filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy.
2 hours later.
Okay, you guys, so it is 4:28, and as you can see, this water is disgusting. So I'm just gonna give this a nice stir. Oh, do y'all see that? Ewy! Literally, my tub is white. Do y'all see that? Let me see. Right here. White. water. Brown. So I'm gonna give this a little stir, because you're supposed to. And then I'm gonna let this sit for 2 more hours, and we're gonna take it out and put it in the wash. It doesn't have a smell or anything like that, so if y'all are wondering, it does not have a smell. But it really is this brown. This is no lie, you guys. No lie. Okay, you guys, so I decided to keep these in here for a little while longer. It is now 10:37 p.m. at night, and as you can see, the water is good and filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wring out these towels, throw them in the clothes basket, and put them in the wash.
I think I saw your hands slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade, yeah. But I don't mind, no, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade, outplayed, outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade.
This is what the water looks like after 10 hours of soaking. This is what the water looks like. Absolutely disgusting. 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 Well, I'm going to go ahead and wash these towels and see exactly what they feel like when it is all said and done. Okay, y'all. As y'all can see, this is the water from soaking the towels. No lie. And y'all can actually see how light my tub is versus how brown this water is. Disgusting. And so I'm gonna say, all in all, stripping these towels definitely did work. I am gonna do Joe's work clothes in another extreme laundry motivation, so stay tuned for that. But that's disgusting. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you have tried this hack, definitely let me know in the comments below. But yeah, y'all, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.